How do humans cause variation? If you put all the DNA molecules in your body end to end, the DNA would reach from the Earth to the Sun and back over 600 times. GMOs, or genetically modified organisms, are plants or animals that are changed to have desired traits. A plant's traits are changed by rearranging its DNA structure. When the plant is just a seed, the bases in its DNA double helix are rearranged to create the plant's preferred traits. Changing a plant's DNA is genetically modifying it. The DNA structure codes for all the information that makes up the organism. DNA has 4 bases: adenine, guanine, cytosine, and thymine. Modifying ancient plant structures changes genetic variation among species. GM foods could be helpful for things like healthier appearing food and better tasting food. However, changing ancient plant structures does have its risks. The American Academy of Environmental Medicine urges doctors to prescribe non-GMO diets for all patients. They cite animal studies showing organ damage, gastrointestinal, and immune system disorders, accelerated aging, and infertility. Creating GMOs is just one way that humans cause variation.
Smoking also causes mutations in organisms. Mutations cause genetic variation. Mutations between organisms are what makes someone genetically different from someone else. According to www.nhs.uk, research quantifies genetic damage caused by smoking. A pack a day causes 150 mutations in lung cells. These mutations can cause lung cancer. Lung cancer develops in the tissue of the lungs and cells in lungs. The cells in these tissues are mutated by the smoke. Then the abnormal cells begin to divide rapidly and form tumors. Humans can create variations in climate change. A majority of humans, about 63%, say the weather in their local area this winter was warmer than usual. When asked what they think caused these abnormal temperatures, more Americans say the shift was the result of human-caused climate change rather than normal variations. Humans are moving more carbon into the atmosphere when fossil fuels like coal and oil are burned. This causes the Earth to become warmer because the fossil fuels eat away at the ozone layer. The ozone layer basically acts as a shield protecting us from the sun's harmful rays. The rising temperatures affect ecosystems and the animals that reside in them. Global warming is also causing glaciers and polar ice to melt, sea levels to rise faster, and air pollution to worsen.
State the science technology. Scientists can manipulate plant DNA, thus creating GMOs. One way of creating a GMO is gene insertion. This is the process of inserting a desired gene into an organism that doesn't already possess the trait. Humans cause variation. Humans cause variation by creating GMOs, changing the climate, and by smoking. Creating GMOs affects genetic diversity. Burning fossil fuels creates variation in climate. Smoking causes mutations, which cause genetic variation. This is our sources, and yeah.